Hello everyone, and welcome back to TiviBridge. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and activate Televizo in 2026 using Xtream Codes with your TiviBridge subscription. So let's get started. First, open the App Store on your Android device or Android TV. Search for Televizo IPTV Player. Select the official app and click Install. Once the installation is complete, open Televizo. When you open the application, look for the option to add playlist. Select Add Playlist to start the setup. Choose Xtream Codes. Now you'll need to enter the information provided with your TiviBridge subscription. Enter your username in the username field. Then enter your password. Finally, enter the server URL exactly as provided. For the playlist name, you can use any name you want, for example, TiviBridge. Then click Add Playlist, Login, or Save, depending on the version of Televizo you're using. Once the playlist is loaded, you'll see your available categories. You can access your live TV, movies, and series directly from the Televizo application. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Televizo using Xtream Codes. If you need any help with your TiviBridge subscription or setup, visit TiviBridge.com. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your viewing with TiviBridge.